Cluttered tabletops, piled up stuff, and a messy home that feels like it's draining your energy before the day even begins. If that sounds familiar, then today's video is just for you. Hello and welcome to the Big Basket YouTube channel. In today's video, I am walking you through my morning cleaning routine. No pressure, no perfection, just a few simple habits to help you reset your space and start the day feeling positive and happy. But before we even start this video, here is a fun giveaway challenge to grab a chance to win an exciting voucher from Big Basket. Watch the video till the end and tell me the 3 tips I share to make cleaning more enjoyable. Write your answers in the comment section along with subscribing to the channel, and you can win a chance to be the lucky winner of this giveaway challenge. And now let's begin the video. When your home feels chaotic, it's hard to focus, stay positive, or even feel motivated. So the first step is to find a quick source of motivation, a small trigger that gives you that silent push to start cleaning. For me, making my bed is that trigger. It's a fixed, no-brainer task that doesn't need much effort, and once it's done, it gives me a sense of accomplishment. That little win sets the tone and motivates me to keep going. For you, it might be something else, like putting the dishes back in place, resetting your workstation, or starting a load of laundry. The key is to find your own trigger and remove that initial friction that stops you from getting started. Now, the more we think, the more we avoid. That's why the next step is to create a simple cleaning process. A method that guides how you can clean your home without thinking too much about it. For me, it's a straightforward rule. Clean from outwards to inwards and from top to bottom. That means I start at the entryway and gradually move towards my bedroom. Similarly, when deep cleaning, I begin with dusting walls, webs and fans, then move down to carpets and floors. Having a clear process removes decision fatigue, eliminates bottlenecks, and help you act faster. I no longer have to waste time figuring out where to start because the steps are already set. All that is left is to take action. Now that your cleaning pattern is set, the next step is to define your cleaning method. I like to follow a simple 3D method in my morning routine, which is declutter, dust, and decorate. No matter which space you are working on, cleaning always starts with decluttering. That means removing any unnecessary or out of place items. Tabletops specially tend to collect the most clutter throughout the day. Ideally, you should clean as you go, but if things pile up, just start by clearing everything off and putting each item back where it belongs. Once the space is decluttered and visually lighter, the next step is to dust and clean. Regular dusting goes a long way in keeping your home feeling fresh. All you really need is a good cleaning spray and a microfiber cloth, your best friends for a quick and effective cleaning. And finally, to bring the space to life, decorate it. This doesn't have to mean anything fancy, just a small plant, a candle, or neatly arranging the items you already have. It instantly makes the area feels more inviting, and when a space looks good, it naturally makes you feel good too. Resetting your space doesn't have to be stressful or time consuming because, let's be honest, most of us don't have hours to clean every day. That's where time blocking comes in. And trust me, it's a total game changer. Time blocking simply means dedicating a fixed time slot for cleaning. Let's face it, there is no real end to cleaning a space. But when you block out time, it helps in more ways than one. First, it keeps you focused. You are not thinking about 10 other things. You are just in the zone, which actually speeds up the whole process. Second, it helps you avoid multitasking. And when you're not jumping between tasks, you are more likely to finish cleaning on time. That means the job gets done and you save time. A total win-win. But I understand, not every day feels the same. and we don't always wake up feeling motivated to start our cleaning routine. So here are 3 simple ways to make your cleaning process more enjoyable. First, try shuffling your cleaning tasks. One day, clean your bookshelf. Another day, tackle your wardrobe. Next day, declutter and decorate the kitchen. Rotating between different spaces helps break the monotony and keeps things fresh. A slight change in routine can actually make you feel more excited and motivated. I personally try to clean, declutter, or decorate at least one new space in the house, and it always feels great once it's done. Second, make cleaning something you actually enjoy. It doesn't have to be a dreaded chore. Pair it with something fun. Play your favorite playlist, catch up on a podcast, or listen to an audiobook. Suddenly, cleaning becomes less about dusting and scrubbing and more about vibing out while being productive. That small mindset shift can turn a boring task into something you actually look forward to. Third, invest in a great cleaning tools. A good tool truly shares the load and makes the job feel easier. Thanks to BigBasket, you can now get all kinds of effective cleaning tools delivered to your doorstep in just 10 minutes. From scrubbers and mops to wipers and brushes, you'll find everything you need at the click of a button. When the tools are right, cleaning doesn't feel like a burden anymore. Once your home is clean, the next important step is to maintain it. Because cleaning isn't a one-time job, it's an ongoing process. Here are 3 easy ways to keep your space tidy. Number 1. Beautify this space. When a space looks nice, people are less likely to mess it up. Add a few decor touches like a mini plant, a candle, or a tray setup to the areas that usually get cluttered. When it looks good, it stays good. Number 2. Create a night cleaning routine. If morning mess isn't your thing, take 5 to 10 minutes before bed to tidy up. You will wake up to a cleaner space, which keeps you motivated and reduces your morning stress. Last but not the least, use a timer. Set a timer of your choice, whether it's 10 minutes for the whole space or just 1 minute per section. It gives you that sudden push to get started. And remember, it's the starting task that takes the most effort. Once you begin, the rest flows naturally. I hope this video helped make your morning cleaning routine easier and more enjoyable. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway contest. Drop your answers in the comments and subscribe to the BigBasket channel to be eligible for the giveaway. Do join me for the next helpful and inspiring video. See you all in the next one very soon.